If you want to customize this application for your business, for example, you want to add some logo of your business there and maybe on login page there, you can go to one page where you can change it. There on the menu, you have admin and the last one page is app settings. We can go just there and you have a button change main logo. By default, you will have logo like this. Press this button and you can simply download which file you want to use. For example, I want to use this one. I can open it there and press upload file. After it was uploaded, your application will open in your page. There you see logo. There also it changed, and if we look out on this page, we also see our updated logo. This is simply way to customize your application to your company.